Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make all columns same point or same size. First we will make these two columns same size. Drag and now select two columns and click right button and select this as this column option. And I will make these two columns 120 and now select OK and see this. These two column size are now 120 and also I'll say this all column size. Then now select all of this column and click right button and this size column. I'll make all of these columns 110. Now select 2 and see this. Now all of these columns are now same size. In this way you can make since a specific columns wide and all columns. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.